Me nah worry about them. And me a little boy, me granny say fellow friend. Me born a waterhouse and now I'm on the mountain. Me get me first girl when I was around 10. If you tell me about Karen, nobody tell me about then. Me enjoy me life party without end. Cause in the cemetery you know money don't spend. Not just another man that you fi know them. All the girls them when you're there with your fist out around them. This a one ya is G-rated. And the grabber too hot they can't do without blame. A river full of rum a cranberry.
What's up everybody and welcome to another week of the #1 show in entertainment and lifestyle. It's all about Pree Dis and my name is Kruddy. Now this week we're here in Meadowbrook at Price Right and we're going to show you everything that Meadowbrook has to offer. In the meanwhile, give you the best in entertainment and lifestyle as we do each and every week. So as I said before, my name is Kruddy. Pree Dis starts right about now. So as I said before, my name is Kruddy and you are locked into the #1 show in entertainment and lifestyle. It's all about Pree Dis, and let's get the show started with some highlights from the Big Bad Beach Party. Sandz over there in Boardwalk, Portmore. Pree Dis, Sandz.
If you think you are wall, stand up when you see the fireball. Bet you see so much you like a telephone call. Crush a little cushion on me palm with a little bit of crave.
Hi peeps, welcome to the Pree Dis show. I'm your girl Rochelle. I'm here at Sandz Beach Chill, Boardwalk Beach, Portmore. The vibes turn up, the music nice, it's loud. We're gonna go and take you through the interviews and the highlights of Sandz on Pree Dis.
Me say me can't flop now if me no flop already. Me say me can't flop now if me no flop already. Me say me can't flop now if me no. If you think you are jaw, stand up when you see me anger. Muscle man a stay strong, but the grabber stronger. Oh amber, me and you a do la pamba. Me no mix up with the fish I wa do dirty janga. They must say get to you and be dead. Tell a piece of rope there, me a feel live longer. Life too sweet, life too sweet. Ask any bees, ask Willy Wonka. And a penny, to a penny. Me a penny, them a penny, me a penny. And a penny, to a penny. You know see ya with the big them a penny. Me say me can't flop now if me no flop already. Me say me can't flop now if me no flop already. Me say me can't flop now if me no flop already. Me say me.
What brings you to Sandz today?
You know the summer is over and the vacation is over, so I would just unwind it in fine style and just go to the last rave.
Okay, what's next for Warren?
Back to training, you know. Next year is World Championship, so just back to training.
Yeah, you don't know Massacre with their Sandz. They say me I say the vibe mad. Big up the whole TNS crew. You don't know it. Young General out. Massacre in a mad crew. You see me I say mad. Young General.
How's the Sandz experience for you so far?
Well, it's great, you know, my first time and I not regret it, not in a lie, you see me? Great vibe, you know, great people. We just there enjoy it and I full joy it and I give thanks to life. You get to me, I say, mad.
Right now with their Sandz, we drink, but we drink responsibly and we party. Them say the final one of the close out, you know, everybody go back to school. Everything is back to regular, so the last thing for the summer, we just enjoy ourselves. It's a good look.
What's the music like for you?
Now right now I like how the music flow. I hear little old school, little new thing, little soca, little pop. Just a nice balance of things. I like how this party are going.
How are you liking the party tonight?
No, the party is shot like Sandz always go on good. So I mean the finale must shot.
So Sandz is your party?
Of course. Anything TNS keep, I'm there.
Why you chose to shoot your video at Sandz?
Because Sandz is the biggest party, summer party right now. If you look, more than right now, countless people here at Sandz, and I'm a friend of my keep it, so we just properly invite ourselves to it.
This is the 4th staging of Sandz?
Yeah, definitely, the 4th one.
And how's it been so far?
Well, from inception, we started as originally a chill, which is just a few friends, TNS, the Envy promoters, and Young Kings. And it just grew so extremely quick. We really appreciate the support, but it has been good so far. And we really are grateful.
Is there anything that you've changed from the first staging to now to make it bigger and better?
Well, a venue, because over the stagings for the summer, for Sandz, the concept was beach hopping. So what we did, we went to a beach house in Elsha as a beginning, and then we went to Bull Bay, and then we came back to Portmore at Boardwalk. But what we realized was that the demand for the event was so great that if we would leave again, we would leave some of our patrons behind. So we decided to keep the last stage in a Boardwalk, which is easily accessible for everybody. But we definitely have something in mind to pop up on the patrons and as well continue annually with the summer chill.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is H to the OV. Snowflakes. I guess even back then you can call. Let me show you ready parties. Ready. Turn it up. I brought to me a little more for the microphone, please. Turn it up.
I am from Jamaica, where we not like no hater. We born a hypocrite, we born a backbiter, a traitor. Latinas love me flavor, LG cause I say ravers. We are safe down the street every dance, so we got me now want see the bed till later.
That was the highlights from the beach party Sandz over there in Portmore. You're watching Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy, and don't forget we're here in Meadowbrook. We're going for our first commercial break. We have to pay the bills. Big up to all the sponsors. When we get back, we have a lot more. Keep it locked. You're watching Pree Dis.